Hello, I am Sarah from Menasim Technical Support. In this video, I will explain how to install eSIM on an iPhone device. Please don't forget to install your eSIM before your trip and activate it on arriving at your destination. Please check if your iPhone device is eSIM compatible on the link listed in the description box below. Before starting the installation, please ensure that your device has a stable internet connection, preferably a Wi-Fi connection. To access your eSIM version or manual installation details, please open up the My eSIM icon on the Menasim app and follow these steps. Go to eSIM detail, then install eSIM, and then manual installation. To manually install an eSIM on your iPhone device, Step 1. Go to Settings. Cellular Mobile Data. Add eSIM or set up cellular mobile service. Use QR code on your device. Tap Enter Details manually. And enter the SMDP plus address and activation code by copying them. Tap Next. Then tap Continue twice and wait for a while. Your eSIM will connect to the network. This may take a few minutes, then tap Done. Choose a label for your new eSIM plan. Choose Primary for your default line. Then tap Continue. Choose the primary you want to use with iMessage and FaceTime for your Apple ID, then tap Continue. Choose your new eSIM plan for cellular mobile data, then tap Continue. Step 2. Go to Cellular Mobile Data. Then select the recently downloaded eSIM on your device. Enable the Turn on this line toggle. Then select your new eSIM plan for cellular mobile data. Tap Network Selection. Disable the automatic toggle. Then select the supported network manually if your eSIM has connected to the wrong network. Enable the data roaming toggle for your new eSIM. Thank you for allowing us to be a part of your adventure. We look forward to welcoming you back soon. Until then, safe travels and endless exploration.